Did you know that just like your body, even your hair need protein to remain healthy and strong? Lack of adequate protein makes the hair appear frizzy, brittle and prone to split ends. Besides consuming protein-rich foods, it is always a good idea to treat your hair with a high-protein hair mask as well. So today I will share an easy protein mask to keep your hair hydrated and smooth. And I'm sure all the ingredients must already be present in your kitchen. But before we begin, I will request you to please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So to prepare this protein mask, first we need a ripe avocado. Avocado is a great source of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which does wonders to your hair and skin. Avocado has good proteins that deep condition and repair dry and damaged hair. So I'm going to scoop out the pulp like so. Next, we need one ripe banana. Banana helps with restoring the lost moisture and locking the hydration within the hair shaft. Banana also adds a beautiful shine to the hair. Next, we need one whole egg. If you wish, you can also use just the egg whites. Egg protein repairs the damages done by heat and color treatments. It also helps with strengthening the hair. And lastly, we need some olive oil to control dandruff and frizz. Now drop everything in a blender and make a smooth paste with a creamy consistency. So here we have our high protein hair mask ready. This is 100% natural and can be used by men, women and teenagers equally because this is absolutely safe. Now let's see how to use this. First, you need to dampen your hair by spraying some water. Make sure that you cover all the lengths and the lower ends as well. Once thoroughly wet, apply the hair mask section by section, especially focusing on the hair lengths and the tips. Covering the hair tips is essential because this is where frizz and split ends begin. After the application, leave it on for 30 minutes and then shampoo as you always do. You can repeat this once in a week for best results. If you have any concern or any query, please feel free to leave a comment. I would love to reply to all your questions. And if you want me to make more such videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.